Actor Sanjay Dutt faces a police complaint. There was ruckus in Agra after his bodyguards misbehaved with the local journalists and the media personnel. Locals, in fact, have even lodged a police complaint against the actor. Sanjay Dutt was seen trying to speak to the journalists. He even apologized to the journalists for their treatment, for the treatment that was meted out by his bodyguards towards them. This is the entire situation that played out. We'll just play out the sequence of events during that shoot. Okay, so this is exactly what happened. Sanjay Dutt intervening, speaking to the journalists. However, despite all of his efforts to try and assuage the situation, and the journalists who were extremely miffed with the high-handedness displayed by his bodyguards, they have gone ahead and filed a police complaint. Siddharth Hussain, editor Entertainment, joins us for more on this. Siddharth, what more details do you have about the incident? What exactly happened?
Avantika, yesterday Sanjay Dutt and his team, they were shooting for his comeback film called Bhumi, and apparently they were shooting on the road. At the same time, media people, they tried to click pictures and all for that. The producer side, the bodyguards were instructed that nobody should click those pictures, since it was an outdoor shoot. So at that time there was so much of chaos because people also wanted to see Sanjay Dutt at the same time. So that's the reason why all that mishap happened actually. So but recently Sanjay Dutt apologized, and today I would like to tell you, today afternoon 1:30 there's a press conference is happening at the hotel where Sanjay Dutt is staying, and the whole media has been called over there.
Okay, and he did try his best to try and speak to the journalists to pacify them. We can see the visuals of the same. Will they withdraw the complaint?
As of now, the complaint has not been withdrawn, but
okay.
It's looking as if at 1:30 at the PC it can happen.
But why did things get so out of control with the journalists being so upset with the manner of his bodyguards and their misbehavior? We have seen, you know, these stars being accompanied by bodyguards. Why did things get so out of control?
See, there are always two sides, I feel. First of all, the bodyguards which they have been hired, they are not Sanjay Dutt's bodyguards.
Okay.
They have been hired from Agra city only. So usually what happens, these boys, they are young and they don't really understand how to tackle media. If it would have been Sanjay Dutt's personal bodyguard who was in Mumbai, things would have been different.
So if these were not his personal bodyguards, Siddharth, why the complaint filed against Sanjay Dutt?
Yeah, that's the whole point actually, because what I feel is that these the people who have filed the complaint, they have just taken it from the upper side that the people were Sanjay Dutt security, so they have done that. So it's not true at all, because the bodyguards were hired.
Okay, Siddharth, just stay with me. If I may just interrupt, we have, in fact, on the phone line, the journalist who was heckled by one of the bodyguards, Ajay Yadav, who's joining us now on the phone line. Ajay, thanks so much for speaking to us. Can you just tell us in detail, describe to us what exactly happened?
अजय, जिस तरीके से ये जो घटना हुई है, बड़ी निंदनीय घटना है, क्योंकि संजय दत्त की जिस जगह शूटिंग चल रही थी वो ताजमहल के बिल्कुल बगल का एरिया था, और उस पे बैरिकेटिंग लगा दी गई थी, रास्ता से बैरिकेटिंग लगाई गई, जिससे कि पर्यटक काफी परेशान थे। उस पूरी जो पर्यटक परेशान थे उसको कवरेज करने के लिए जब हम लोग पहुंचे तो संजय दत्त के गार्डों ने और कई ऐसे वहाँ अराजक तत्व थे जिन्होंने मारपीट शुरू कर दी और कैमरे और आदि सारी चीजें छीन कर ले गए। लगातार पुलिस से संपर्क किया जा रहा है, तहरीर भी दी जा चुकी है, लेकिन कार्रवाई पुलिस नहीं कर रही है। बड़ा सवाल ये कि आखिर पत्रकारों के प्रति ऐसी हिंसाएं कब तक होती रहेंगी, और प्रशासन बिल्कुल मौन है। जी
नहीं, that is one part of it, Ajay, that this high-handedness should not be tolerated. मगर अजय एक बात बताइए, अभी हमें पता लगा है कि ये उनके पर्सनल बॉडीगार्ड नहीं थे. These were the bodyguards who had been hired by the security around that area. So then why the complaint against Sanjay Dutt?
देखिए, जिस समय शूटिंग हो रही थी तो वहाँ जितने भी बॉडीगार्ड थे हम ये क्लियर नहीं कह सकते कि ये किसके बॉडीगार्ड हैं। वहाँ बॉडीगार्ड थे, वो सारे सम्मिलित थे, कौन मारपीट कर रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है। आखिर पुलिस वहाँ मूक दर्शक बनी हुई है, पत्रकार पिट रहे हैं, कैमरे छीने जा रहे हैं और संजय दत्त वहाँ शूटिंग कर रहे हैं। तो आखिर आप कैसे ये कह सकते हैं कि ये संजय दत्त के बॉडीगार्ड नहीं है? ये पूरे मामले में पुलिस इस मामले को दबा रही है और लगातार जिस तरीके से पत्रकारों के हिंसाएं बराबर हो भी रही हैं, लेकिन ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है कि कल से तहरीर दी जा चुकी है लेकिन अभी कार्रवाई नहीं हो रही है। ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा सवाल है।
जी अजय, मैं आपको फिर से उस इंसिडेंट के पास ले जा रही हूँ। आप एक बात बताइए कि मारपीट हुई थी, आप कह रहे हो कि ये जो बॉडीगार्ड थे इन्होंने कैमरा और ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड सारा स्नैच किया था, एंड ड्यूरिंग द स्कफल आप कह रहे हो कि पुलिस ने कुछ नहीं करा। वो क्या कर रहे थे वहां पर?
देखिए, एक वीडियो में ये भी दिख रहा है कि एक हिंदुस्तान न्यूज़पेपर के फोटो जर्नलिस्ट हैं, उनको कॉलर पकड़कर पुलिस खींच कर ले जा रही है, जबकि वहाँ जो बॉडीगार्ड हैं लगातार मारपीट कर रहे हैं। उनके प्रति पुलिस का रवैया बिल्कुल निगेटिव था और पत्रकारों के ऊपर ही कई पुलिस वालों ने तो ये कहा कि मारो सालों को। ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल है कि अगर पुलिस जिसके हाथ में सुरक्षा का जिम्मा
ये जो बात थी, ये जो जिसने बोला था, did that come from the police who were there, that the journalists need to be beaten up, कि इनको मारो?
बिल्कुल, ये एक कांस्टेबल है, अभी उसको चिन्हित किया जा रहा है। यहाँ कप्तान से भी बात हो चुकी है, उसको चिन्हित करके वो फोटो जर्नलिस्ट का वीडियो में स्पष्ट दिख रहा है कि कॉलर पकड़ के ले जा रहा है और झगड़ा कराने का पूरा मकसद पुलिस का ही था।
अजय, एक मेरी आखिरी सवाल है, हम देख सकते हैं कि संजय दत्त ऑल्सो इंटरवीन्ड, उन्होंने भी ट्राई करा कि आप सबसे बात करें, उन्होंने अपोलोजाइज भी करा है। विल यू विथड्रॉ योर कंप्लेंट?
देखिए, अभी कंप्लेंट विड्रॉल नहीं ली गई है, लेकिन जिस तरीके से संजय दत्त ने सार्वजनिक होकर माफी मांगी है, अभी उनकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की है 1 बजे, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर मीडिया के पत्रकारों के साथ अगर ये जाती हुई है तो ये निंदनीय है। अगर मेरे किसी गार्ड ने ये सब किया है तो मैं माफी मांगता हूँ। कहीं ना कहीं इशारा संजय दत्त का नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन वहाँ जो सुरक्षा गार्ड लगे, निर्देशक, उनको देखना चाहिए कि फोटो जर्नलिस्ट है, पत्रकार है, वो कवरेज कर रहा है, किसी खबर को लेके गया है, तो अगर उसके साथ मारपीट होगी तो आम पब्लिक के साथ व्यवहार करते होंगे। जी।
All right. Ajay Yadav there, the journalist who was also allegedly roughed up in that scuffle, joining us and giving us a detailed account of what exactly happened. Thank you, Ajay, for speaking to India Today. Shivangi Thakur is also there with us right now. Shivangi, one thing that, one doesn't seem to understand is that this was a scuffle that broke out between the journalists and a few bodyguards who were outside. In fact, the journalists are accusing the police of inaction. In fact, they have accused them of provoking the bodyguards to hit them. Where is Sanjay Dutt coming in all of this? Why has his name come in the complaint?
That's the big question, Avantika. We had a word with police officials and they said that no case was registered as of now. There is only one written complaint, and the big thing is that we are still waiting for Sanjay Dutt and his statement, because there is no statement from his side. We heard, according to sources, we got the news that now in some time there is one press conference is going to be happen. The one press conference is going to conducted by Sanjay Dutt and his team. So we are waiting for it, that what Sanjay Dutt have to say on this whole matter, what his team and what Bhumi's producer and director, what they want to say on this.
Okay, Shivangi, thank you so much for speaking to us. Siddharth, thanks so much for getting us all the other inputs and details to this incident that took place in Agra during a film shoot.